Are you confused about flourishing? Or maybe you're stuck in a rut doing the same thing over and over again, and you'd like to try something new? I'm Debi Sementelli, and I'm here to take the fear out of flourishing. I've been a lettering artist for over 30 years and a font designer for the past 8 years. And in this class, Flourishing the Uppercase Letters, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process that I've developed over the years to help me come up with uniquely flourished letters. We'll cover basics like proper setup, body mechanics, and hand and arm warm-ups that'll help you make smoother strokes. Then I'll demonstrate 15 different options to approach a letter for flourishing. And I'll show you how to go from basic letter form to beautiful and elaborately flourished letters. This is an intermediate class, but if you're a beginner, just grab a pencil and you'll still get a lot out of it. If you're further along on your lettering journey, this is the perfect next step for you. And if you're a hand lettering script font designer like me, this will give you some new ideas in your approach to flourishing and creating alternates. There's plenty of helpful downloads that will allow you to follow me step by step. So grab some paper, a pencil, a brush pen, and join me. Let's do some flourishing.